How to recover your Rockstar Social Club account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your Rockstar Games social account. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have and then simply search for rockstargames.com. And to log into your social club account, you just have to log into the website first. To do that, tap on this profile icon at the top right. If you already have an account, click on sign in, or if you're new, you can sign up for a new account. I'm just going to click on sign in right here. And once you click on it, you'll be taken to a new page. As you can see, I've already entered my login email and password. But in case if you have forgotten your password, what you're going to have to do is click on this option, forgot your password, to recover it. And then once you have done that, you can enter your email right below to reset your password. Click on reset password and they'll send you a reset link on your email. And now what you're going to have to do is open up your Gmail app on a new tab, or if you have your phone with you, you can check it on your phone as well. Now, if you get a new email from Rockstar Games, as you can see here, you can just click on reset password, and then you can enter a new password without any hassle. So that's how you recover your new Rockstar Games social club account. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.